Hi guys, Steve up at the cabin, and this week we're doing another product review. These are Paracord adjusters. Now, this is how it was shipped to me. I had seen these on social media somewhere, and I was like, those are neat. I want to get them. And I wasn't able to find the ad again when I actually wanted to go ahead and buy them. So I went on Amazon and I found them. Now, I can't remember exactly the price I paid for it. I'll put it right down here. Links for everything are in the description. And it was cheaper on Amazon. You get 6 of these things and they give you 2 paracords. Now, I haven't even opened this up yet. It's got that Chinese cellophane. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know how long these are. All right, not very long. And they give you 2 of them, but they do give you, the important part is they give you 6 of these adjusters. Okay, got the hook here, the little spring, so you just run the rope through there, and that little spring seems kind of chintzy, but it just keeps the rope, I guess, from falling out. And then you have the other end here. So you feed your paracord through, and it snugs it. And see, that's kind of, that's not going anywhere. And then when you want to release it, little ingenious thing. And you got 6 of them, 2 paracords. Yeah, I'll give you a close-up of this. It's got a nice cleated, spring-loaded clasp. There's the hook, and it's got this little spring thing to keep your line. Full disclosure, on one of the 6, this little spring thing broke off, but I really don't think you need it anyway. May actually even get in the way. You could use this for just about anything, but the reason why I got them is a lot of times I put stuff in the bed of the truck. Now, if you're putting heavy things in there you don't want moving around, I've used small ratchet straps, but they're a pain in the butt, and you got to fight with them half the time. And I usually can only carry 2 in the truck. And there's not a lot of room for them. I have big ones for my trailer. So when I actually need something big, like when I got the ride-on mower, I used the big straps on the trailer. But perfect example is I got my I think it's 14-gallon gas caddy or diesel caddy for the backhoe. So I go down to the gas station, fill it up, and I don't want to break out the ratchet straps. So I figured these things would be great. Maybe 2 or 3 of them just to keep this thing from rolling around. Truth is, last weekend I got a gas station about a mile away, 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles at the most. And I just drive real easy, but it still rolls around. But I just don't want the thing to break open and have 14 gallons of diesel splash around. And I don't like driving with this thing loose. But you always say, oh, it's only a mile, I'll take it real easy. These things, just, you put these, in the console or underneath the back seat. And, you whip it around, 1, 2, 3, and the thing's tied up. So I did open it up and see that they only gave me 2 paracords. So I went to Harbor Freight and I got a 50-foot. Now hopefully they're not too big. I think they're probably good size. 50-foot line length paracord. This is $2.99. I got 3 of them. I figured 50 feet. I probably could cut it in half, and that would be fine. I mean, you really don't need that long. I got 3 of them. I figured I got 2, and I said, that'll give me enough. I mean, how often are you going to use 4 of these things? So, but I was 3 steps away, and I said, they're $2.99. You're always going to use this stuff, right? So I got the third one. I think I paid, it was $9.74 with tax for the 3 50-foot sections of Paracord from Harbor Freight. If I could find the link, I just walked into the store and got it, but I'll find the link and put it down in the description. All right, let's see. I'll open this up. We'll make sure it fits in there first. Okay, I got the package opened, and I had a fight with it a little bit, and had to cut the end off and reburn it. So, and oh yeah, it fits, and it's not going anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll probably cut this in half. I don't need 50 feet of paracord on it. But what I'll do first, so I'll do a couple different scenarios in it. I'll find a good length. I'll cut it, and I'll set up 3 of these or 4 of these, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I did one side already. I only cut this one to 25 feet. I'll never use it. These are the ones they give you are a whole heck of a lot less. They're probably like 10 feet. That's probably all that you need. One end, you want to get in the hook and just tie a knot, which I did there. So you push this spring back, get the rope on. Didn't really have to do that. And I would just make a good knot. I mean, you know, I am by no means any kind of like a sailor with a good knowledge of knots. I'm just going to do the best I can and make sure it's really nice and tight. I don't think that's going anywhere. I got these cleats on either side of the truck. Let's see. So that's 2. I'm going to go with a third one. You know what? I don't want to fight with this length of cord, so I'm going to cut this. Now, so you don't fray your the ends of your paracord, just melt them. So I have this little jet butane burner, and we just want to twist it over the flame. You can see it melt. There you go. You also want to lick your fingers and pull it. There you go. That's not going anywhere. Same thing. We want to run the line through here. Make a knot. Now, this is empty, so it doesn't have any weight to it, but I don't think it's going anywhere. Better than it's running sitting there loose. All right, let's see how it does. She didn't move. They did their job. And for what? I forget what I paid for these things. It wasn't a lot of money. And this is a lot easier to deal with than those ratchet straps. And, you know, if you need longer cord, you know, you just go to Harbor Freight and get a 50-foot length of paracord for $2.99, and you could, you know, secure anything and everything. I mean, you just have to use it to secure stuff in your truck. I mean, you can use it for, you know, anything. But I got 6 of these things. I made up these 3. I made up an extra one, and I got the other 2 and extra length of cord underneath the back seat in the truck. So I'm good to go with these things. I like it. It gets the Steve's Cabin seal of approval. Do me a favor, if you like them, go ahead and buy them from Amazon. Tell them Steve sent you. Guys, thanks for following along with me this week. I'll see you next time.